so warm, and if I don't hurt her, she'll do me no harm. I'll sit by the fire and give her some food, and Pussy will love me because I am good. I love little doggy, his nose is so cold. When he sees a stranger, he acts fierce and bold. I'll feed him and walk him without fail each day, and doggy will be there when I want to play. I love my new pony, he's so neat and trim, and we'll both enjoy it when I ride on him. I've only one problem, a name for my pony. I know what I'll do. I'll just call him Tony. I love my new hamster and I call him Pete. I feed him and pet him and keep his cage neat. He plays on a wheel that goes round and round, and once in a while he makes a strange sound. Can you believe it? I really like mice. Mom says they're awful and they will bring lice, but I think they're cute, so tiny and all. Their home is a very small hole in our wall.
Peanuts.